Ever feel like hackers are lurking around every corner? Don't worry. Your phone has secret weapons to protect your data. Biometrics. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We're One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. Our mission? Empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Here's the best part. Part of our profits go toward running free IT classes and befriending events for the community. So, by supporting us, you're not just improving your digital skills, you're making a real difference. The problem is, why you should care about mobile data security. Let's get real for a second. How much personal stuff do you keep on your phone? Banking apps, private photos, your Netflix password? Imagine all of that falling into the wrong hands. Cybersecurity threats like phishing, hacking, and identity theft are on the rise, and your phone is a prime target. Scary, right? But don't panic. The good news is your mobile already has powerful tools to fight back. Biometrics. Here are some solutions about how biometrics keep your data safe. 1. Biometrics 101. What are they and why do they work? First, let's break it down. Biometrics are unique physical or behavioral traits that verify your identity. Think fingerprints, facial recognition, or even your voice. Unlike passwords, which can be guessed or stolen, biometrics are you. Unless someone invents a way to clone your face, which, let's hope, stays in sci-fi, your biometrics are incredibly hard to hack. And no, holding your phone up to a sleeping person's face doesn't work, unless you snore with your eyes open. 2. Tip: start with your device's built-in biometric tools. Most smartphones already come with built-in biometric tools. Whether you're Team iPhone or Android, the setup is simple. Use these tools to lock your phone and you've already taken the first step toward better security. Unless, of course, you have a twin. In that case, maybe don't share your phone. 3. Combine biometrics with a strong password. Now, let's level up. Biometrics are fantastic, but they work even better when combined with a strong password. Think of it like a double-deadbolt lock on your digital front door. And please, don't use password as your password. That's like leaving the key under the mat labeled Key E. 4. Lock your most important apps. Biometrics aren't just for your phone's lock screen. You can also protect individual apps, think banking, email, or messaging apps, with biometric authentication. This is a game changer. Even if someone gets past your lock screen, which let's hope they don't, they still can't access your most sensitive information. 5. Keep your software updated. I know. Software update notifications always pop up at the worst times. But here's the thing. They're essential for your security. Updates fix vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Skipping updates is like skipping leg day at the gym. It feels good in the moment, but you'll regret it later. 6. Avoid sketchy apps and websites. Not all apps are created equal. Some promise to enhance your biometric security, but might actually compromise it. Stick to official app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store, and be cautious with permissions apps request. When in doubt, trust your gut. If an app feels sketchy, it probably is. Let me share a quick story. My friend once set up Face Unlock but didn't realize his dog could trigger it. Lesson learned. Biometrics are great, but always test them thoroughly to avoid unexpected guests. So, how about the future of biometrics? What's next? Before we wrap up, here's something cool. The world of biometrics is evolving fast. We're talking about heartbeat recognition, vein pattern scanning, and even scent-based authentication. Yes, your phone might someday recognize you by your smell. Time to start wearing that signature cologne, folks. At One Connect, we're passionate about helping you navigate the digital world safely and confidently. Whether you're looking to boost your tech skills or learn more about online security, we've got you covered. Check out our training programs, ebooks, and professional services. Need a secure, professionally designed website? We can help with that too. Just want to let you know, our services include digital skills training, from beginner basics to advanced marketing techniques, community outreach, closing the digital divide for underserved communities, expert guidance, learn from experienced mentors, affordable courses, high-quality education that fits your budget. And our products includes digital resources, ebooks, templates, and guides to boost your digital knowledge, website design and maintenance, professional and secure websites for your needs, Join OneConnect CIC today and unlock your digital potential. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Have your own tips or funny stories about biometrics? Drop them in the comments below. Visit our website to learn more about our services. And don't forget, by supporting us, you're also supporting your community. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.